An elephant named Dumbo decided to explore the bustling city on a sunny afternoon. Curiosity led him to a fruit market where he accidentally knocked over a table full of bananas, creating chaos among the shoppers. As he hurried away, hoping to avoid trouble, his massive trunk entangled in a string of balloons, lifting him momentarily off the ground. Children giggled in delight as Dumbo floated above them before gently landing in a park fountain. The brief yet hilarious elephant venture concluded with a splash, leaving everyone amused and Dumbo a bit bewildered by his urban adventure.